We're in action. Good afternoon, you guys. So today I'm here with another product, as you guys know. I don't even have to say, you guys see my last videos. I'm getting all these products, trying them on my body, seeing if they work on my teeth, on my face, on my ass. As you guys know, I've started becoming like a big coffee drinker. I'm trying to get off it because coffee gives me anxiety, and I'm like, one of the downfalls of drinking coffee is you get yellow teeth. So I am excited because I have a teeth whitening pen. I saw this on Vanity Planet. I purchased a lot of stuff from them. Their stuff is pretty high end. I'm gonna try it on my teeth. Supposedly, it's a teeth whitening pen that whitens your teeth within 30 seconds. That's pretty cool. So this is the Elite Whitening Pen, contains professional strength whitening gel and is perfect for touch-ups. You know what, fuck that, I'm not gonna read all that. That's just way too much, I'm not in school right now. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Is it gonna work? Who knows? So first I'm gonna do me, and then I'm gonna do Ruben. So what I'm gonna do is zoom in the camera right now and get really focused so you guys can see my horrible chappy lips, and then apply this to see if it works. Alrighty, so now that we're zoomed in. Alright, so this is the teeth whitening pen. This is what it looks like. So 007, that bad boy. And this side, you're supposed to twist it. Oh shit. Damn, 30 years later, I'm gonna go on my 30th birthday by the... Oh, there it is. Alright, so I'm gonna apply it onto my teeth. I have my mirror right here.
Hold for 30 seconds. And allow the gel to activate. Rinse your mouth after 20 minutes.
Oh,
I see his stuff coming out.
Alright guys, so it has been 20 minutes. Ruben and I went ahead and rinsed off our teeth. Do I see a difference? To be honest, I thought it was going to be brighter than my future, but it is not that white. But it got like a tint lighter. To be honest, I thought it was going to be like when I opened my mouth, everybody was going to turn to Helen Keller like, I can't see. Maybe a little lighter? Well, you guys tell me, because I'm just looking with my bare eye into the mirror. I can't really see maybe the footage before. You guys are like, oh damn, shit, it's bright. What the hell am I still doing zoomed in? Let me zoom out, hold on. Oh yeah, and I also have to change my shirt because I was having my mouth open like that, and like just everywhere. It was like, oh my god, it was like Hurricane Katrina, guys, all over my chest, and I was like, damn. So final thoughts. Are these little bad boys worth it? For the price, actually wasn't that bad. They were only $19 for 3 of them, guys. Oh my god, that's a freaking bargain. Because I was looking up on like Amazon and other places I see sponsored, like Instagram, for like $20 just for 1. These came with 3. Would I recommend to go out and buy it? Yeah, go out and try it. Test it. The price isn't too bad, and you get 3 of them, so that's good. Pause that. So, as I was editing this video, I noticed that I didn't really discuss like what it tasted like, what it felt like. Did it actually work? In the video, I kind of said like, I only want a shade or whatever lighter. As the day progressed, I did notice my teeth getting a little bit whiter. So maybe we just need a couple of hours to activate. But what it felt like, it was very tingly, very fresh. What it tasted like, kind of just like mint. I wouldn't say like toothpaste almost. It wasn't anything toothpaste related. It just had kind of like a minty flavor and fresh flavor. Kind of just said, oh, just buy it because it's cheap. But that, and it also did work over time. I guess, like I said, I just had to let it kick in. But yeah. Anyways, back to the video. I'm gonna shut up now. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. If you guys want to see more, like I don't know why I always do that. Like, what the fuck? Was my mouth like dehydrated? So if you want to see more videos like this, me trying out these products, I am no way in form a professional when it comes to, like, you know, these kind of products. This is my honest review. I'm just a little young lad trying to make his way through life. I'm just winging it, guys. But until next time, guys, as always, stay kind, stay humble, and I love you guys.